Yo, D-Lou, what do you say? Yo, Claire, get my phone. Oh my God, bro. I don't have no roster. I swear.
Okay.
Whole, like, manhole type shit.
Oh, that's not you.
Hell no, I'm loyal as fuck.
Oh, really? To who?
Huh?
To who?
Like, whoever my girl is.
Right.
Yeah.
Who's your girl?
I don't have a girl.
Oh, that's why you're single.
I'm single. Yeah. Nah, cause I was a BMX rider. I used to be a BMX rider.
You're a what?
BMX
A
rider.
BMX rider at what age?
5 to 7.
I love that.
When I was like 6 or 7.
No, I love that. Yeah.